Welcome back, guys. And I'm Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. And in this video, we are going to discuss about right issue. If your company is planning to raise the fund from the existing shareholders, when the shares issued to the existing shareholder only, this is called the right issue. There are multiple sections which governs the right issue. Uh, the section 62 subsection 1 clause A and section 62 subsection 2 read with rule 12A of company share capital debenture rules 2014. It's cover the whole right issue as well as the secretarial standard. In case of listed company, it also governs the share capital LODR provisions, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to execute the right issue if your company is plan to raise the fund from the existing shareholders. It's for both. It's for equity shares as well or preference share as well. uh, in this video we will start the what is the procedure or what is the checklist for issuing the shares under right issue, right? So you will send a offer letter. First of all, you will send a offer letter to the existing shareholders of the company, right? On the basis of offer letter which is received by the existing equity shareholders, right? Proportionately, the shares will be offered as per the existing shareholding of the equity shareholders, right? The company send a letter of offer minimum 3 days before the opening of the issue. This is the primary condition. And the offer which for which the offer letter is sent, or right, this offer will be open for minimum 15 days and maximum 30 days. But for private companies, if consent is given 90% of members, then period can be shortened, right? However, the offer to be kept open for minimum 7 days from the date of offer. Refer to rule 12A, right? And after that, the offer is not accepted within the prescribed period, it deemed to be declined. यानी उन्होंने ऑफर एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, इट डीम टू बी डिक्लाइन मान लिया जाएगा उनकी तरफ से. और इफ दे वांट, दे कैन रिनाउंस दिस ऑफर्स ऑफ राइट इशू टू द to the your another member, right? So it's must contain in the AOA for right to renounce, right? Thereafter, board has to right to dispose of. It means if the shareholders had not renounced the shares and not taken the shares, so in that case, the board has a right to dispose of the unsubscribed portion of the offer, which is not disadvantageous to the shareholders of the company. So this is the 7 pointer checklist, and you will follow when you want to implement the right issue, right? After that, step plan for right issue. So first of all, before planning the right issue, you will check following points before executing the right issue of equity shares. First of all, you have to check AOA, an article of association, to ensure that authorized share capital is sufficient for issue of securities if it provides for renunciation of shares. Second aspect is valuation report. In case of shares or equity shares of in right issue, generally valuation report is not required, right? But in case of private placement, in case of preferential issue, the valuation report is must. Valuation report is not required if securities are offered equally to the existing shareholders, right? However, it shall be required if Ind AS is applicable to the company. If Ind AS is applicable to the company, in such case, the valuation report is the mandatory. Thereafter, hold the first board meeting to approve offer of shares on the right basis and approve authority to any director. Fourth is dispatch of offer with the notice to all existing shareholders at the 3 working days before the opening of issue, right? uh, and how will be it sent? It's sent through registered post. It's sent you can send through speed post, you can send electronic mode or courier or any other mode, right? Companies Amendment Act 2017 allowed courier or any other mode having proof of delivery. Fifth step, in fifth step, you have to file Form MGT14 with the ROC within 30 days from passing of board resolution under Section 179, subsection 3. Private companies exempt for filing MGT14 for resolution under Section 179(3), right? Thereafter, you will receive a subscription amount from the subscribers in normal bank account of company. It's not necessary to open a separate bank account in private placement. You will take the subscription money in the normal bank account of the company, right? Thereafter, in seventh step, hold the second board meeting and approve the allotment of shares with the authority to issue the shares, whether it's physical or demat. If shares are not issued in 60 days, then the then from the 75th day of receipt of money, it will be treated as public deposit. Thereafter, file e-form PAS3. It's a return of allotment with the ROC within 30 days of allotment. And in 10th step, issue of share certificate within 2 months from the date of allotment. In 11th step, if shares are issued in demat form, file corporate action form with the depositories. In step 12, make necessary entries in register of members. In 13th step, if shares are issued in repatriable basis to the non-resident, comply with the FEMA 1999 provisions. For NBFC, HFC, separate rules have been complied with as applicable. So this is a whole process of right issue, and in addition to that, your company needs to comply the provisions of Section 55 and Rule 10 of company share capital and debenture rules. If company is issuing preference shares to the equity shares, sorry, if a company is issuing preference shares to the equity shareholders on right basis. So this is the whole process for issuing the right equity shares on right issue basis, or you will able to conclude that right issue on the basis of above provisions. If this video is going to be if video is helpful for you, you can subscribe the channel or press the bell icon so that the proper notification you will get on proper time. If you have any query related to this, so you can connect me the on number given on the screen, or you have any query related to import export, GST, trademark or corporate compliances, so you can also connect with us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.